Does your dog pull like a tractor on walks, turning a pleasant stroll into an arm-wrenching workout? You're not alone, but you can fix it fast with these proven tricks. First, why do dogs pull? They're excited, the world smells amazing, and frankly, nobody's taught them the rules of polite walking. Plus, many people use the wrong leash technique, accidentally rewarding the pull by letting the dog get where it wants to go. Let's set you up to win. Use a comfy front clip harness, which gently redirects your dog back to you, and a standard 6-foot leash. Skip retractable leashes. They teach your dog that pulling makes the leash longer, the exact opposite of what we want. Now 3 techniques that work. Number 1. Stop and freeze. The moment the leash tightens, become a statue. No steps forward. Your dog learns that pulling stops the fun. The instant it goes slack, mark it with yes and move. Forward is the reward. Loose leash equals progress. Number 2. Change direction. If my dog forges ahead, I calmly turn and walk the other way. No yanking, no drama. When the dog catches up and the leash loosens, I mark yes, and we keep moving. It turns me into the most interesting thing on the sidewalk, teaching them to pay attention to me. Number 3. Reward the quiet moments. Anytime the leash is loose and your dog checks in, pay with a tiny treat, praise, or permission to sniff. Sniffing is huge. Use it as a reward zone. Think, loose leash, mark, reward, repeat. Pro tips. Short sessions beat marathon walks. Start in boring areas, then level up distractions. Keep treats small and frequent early on, then fade to life rewards, like sniff breaks. Common mistakes to skip. Pulling back creates a tug of war. You'll lose. Yelling adds stress. Letting your dog lead teaches them you're just the engine. Be the guide, not the anchor. Quick recap. Get the right gear. A front clip harness and a standard leash are your best friends. Be consistent with the rules. Use stop and freeze to teach that pulling gets them nowhere. Use change direction to make yourself the center of their world.